15 modifications you can do to your Suzuki DL800RE V Strom. So starting in no particular order, number 1, the puge screen and an aftermarket wind deflector. The standard stock screen comes up to about here on the bike, and this screen gives you about an extra 2.5 to 3 inches, and it really does make a difference. So that's mod number 1. Mod number 2, a radiator guard. Now I fit these to every bike that I've got and every bike that I've had, and they're a godsend. Now that will protect the radiator from stone chips getting thrown up from the road or from your front wheel. So that's mod number 2, a radiator guard. Mod number 3, bar risers. These are 30mm bar risers, and they really do make a difference, and you're much more upright, and it makes the ride a lot more comfier. So that's mod number 3, bar risers. Mod number 4, crash bars. Now these are heat crash bars, and they're manufactured in Poland. I think that they make the bike look really good. It really does finish it off, and they're practical as well. So if the bike does go over, at least your fairings are going to have a chance of getting protected from any falls if it does happen to go over. Plus I think it really enhances the look of the bike. So that's mod number 4, crash bars. Mod number 5, spotlights. Now these spotlights, they're just cheap spotlights from Amazon, and they really do enhance the look of the bike, and for a safety aspect as well. I've got these wired in, so they're wired in and they're on permanently. However, I can switch them off. The switch is under the seat, so I can switch them off if I wish. And they really do give the bike a good bit of presence on the road, and gives you more visibility, so it lets other drivers have a better chance of seeing you. So that's mod number 5, spotlights. Mod number 6, a fender extender. Now these do work. You know, again, every bike that I've had, I've always fitted a fender extender to it. It saves the engine from getting covered in muck and stew, and also helps protect it from stone chips, you know, that could get potentially thrown up off the front wheel and chip in the exhaust or the paintwork or what have you under the bike. So that's mod number 6, a fender extender. Mod number 7, a rear hugger. Now this will save the bike from getting filthy, and it will also help save the shock absorber from getting filthy as well on wet roads, as well as keeping the underside of the bike, or the underside of the seat, nice and clean. So rear hugger, mod number 7. Mod number 8, handguards. These are genuine Suzuki handguards, and they really do keep the wind off your hands and stop them getting so cold when you're out riding. Here in the UK, we're not known for tropical climates, and we do have a lot of days that are cool, and these handguards do the job. So that's mod number 8, handguards. Mod number 9, heated grips. These are ultimate add-on heated grips, and yeah, again, if you live in a cooler climate, these are great for keeping your hands warm, and together with the handguards, they really do help on colder days. So mod number 9, heated grips. Mod number 10, tank protector. Now these, that's a genuine one that the dealer put on for me when I purchased the bike. These help keep the tank free from scratches from your zip or your buttons on your jacket if you've got to lean over the bike, you know. So yeah, mod number 10, tank protector. Mod number 11, a centre stand. I personally think that these bikes should have came with a centre stand, but they don't. So I'd highly recommend a centre stand for one of these, because it does make chain maintenance a lot easier if you've got a centre stand. And also if you're storing it in the garage and you're limited for space, you don't want the bike leaning over, so stick it on the centre stand. So that's mod number 11, a centre stand. Mod number 12, if you don't have a centre stand, this is a much cheaper alternative. Swing arm bobbins. These are great. If you've got a paddock stand with the hooks on it, just hook the paddock stand onto the bobbins, get the bike up in the air, get your back wheel off, chain oiled, lubricated, what have you. So yeah, mod number 12, bobbins. Mod number 13, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay device. These things are absolutely fantastic. You've got your satellite navigation on it, so you've got your Google Maps or Waze or Apple Maps, whatever you choose. Other maps are available, and you can read your messages, you can make phone calls, you can listen to your music, choose your music on the screen, all touch screen, and you can listen to it through your comms. Most of the devices allow you to do that. So that's mod number 13, an Apple CarPlay Android Auto device. Mod number 14, you won't see this one, a screen protector. Now these are great, these screen protectors, and they do last a good 2 or 3 years, and they stop the screen from getting scratched. And also, while we're on the theme of screen protectors, I've got a little sticker around the ignition there, and also on the tank, the fuel tank filler, and that's colour coded to the bike. So they're just little tasty modifications. So screen protector and ignition sticker, fuel cap stickers, mod number 14. Mod number 15, we'll save the best for last, luggage. Look at the presents that the bike's got with the luggage on it. I do apologise, it's hard to film in the garage because I've got other bikes round about me. But luggage, great if you're going out on tour, or you're going away a weekend on the bike camping or what have you. You can get all you need in your panniers and your top box, and it also gives the bike a good bit of presence on the road. So as an added bonus for your luggage, I have little bags in the back. So I've got these little bags in the panniers, so if I'm going away a weekend trip or camping or what have you, I can put all my stuff in the bag, and when I get to my destination, I don't need to take the panniers off the bike to take it into the hotel, or if I'm camping or what have you. Just take out the bag from the pannier, leave the pannier on the bike and lock it. And that's how I rock and roll. Most of the time I just ride the bike with the top box on, and I only use the luggage if I'm going away longer trips with my pals, or if I'm going camping or touring or what have you. So that's my 50 modifications that I would totally recommend to anyone that's got one of these bikes, because every one of them I think's a great modification. So guys, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.